How's everyone doing this fine day? Today we are going to be taking a look at a Seiko Lux Seiko Prospect, and it is the SPB239, and this is the 1965 reimagining. So let's take a look. And out of the 65s, probably the most popular one to come out was the SPB149. That was a blue-faced limited edition, and it sold out really quick. And so here we got the box of the model. You got your paperwork, warranty card, all that kind of jazz. This one, here we can see it. Really cool looking watch. I love it when they come with these extra bands because, you know, it's convenient to be able to switch what it looks like. You know, if you want that tan color, you want the black. Man, pretty sharp looking watch, you know. But I mean, these guys, they give you a big bang for your buck. The SPB series, the 6R 35 movement. This one, $1,200. A lot of watch for that. You get that extra strap. Really good. Let me take a second and take all this off, and we can get a good look at this guy. So this here is the remake or the modern interpretation of the 1965 diver's watch. The 1965 Seiko diver's watch was the first dive watch that Seiko made. And this is a good looking watch. This one is kind of like that military inspired motif. They did this one and the 70s, you know, the Willard one with the special strap. Now it comes with two fabric straps, and let's look at that braiding there on the strap. This strap is like a NATO style, but it's really durable and really comfortable. Just pretty awesome overall. And you can see it's got like a little bit of the gold highlights on the bezel there. You got the inlaid ceramic, sapphire crystal. Now the original Seiko dive watch was 150 meters water resistant. This one here is 200 meters, and of course it's got a modern movement and everything in it. This movement is the 6R35, and that one is a 70-hour movement, and it's 24 joule movement too. And then you got the date there on the dial. And you can see even the markers have got that kind of like that vintage look to it. Looks like it's got a patina to it. Really, really cool. This strap is, Seiko calls it the Seichu. I guess probably butchered the way that is called, but it's Seichu, and that's what they're calling this fabric strap with that kind of really cool tight knit braiding on it. Pretty awesome. And the crystal, it was sapphire crystal, and it's got an anti-reflective coating on the inner surface. Let's take a look at this baby on the wrist. Well, I'll give you a quick look around on how this guy straps up. There, let's take a look here. You can see. There you go. Let's try it on the wrist now. So the watch is 40.5 millimeters, and that's a little bit small compared to the other Seiko dives. Most of them are around, I think, 43, 44 millimeters. So this one, but it doesn't look small when you're wearing it on the wrist. It's got a nice feel to it, a nice wrist presence. The only thing is when you have that NATO style strap, it raises the watch up quite a bit. I mean, look at that, all that fabric underneath. I like my watches to sit a little bit lower because when you're in the boat, you're doing stuff, you know, you tend to bang it around a little bit, and then the more it sticks from the wrist, the more I notice it gets caught and stuff like that. So that's the one thing I don't like about NATO straps. NATO straps, I think, you know, or NATO style straps, they're comfortable and they help with, you know, if it gets sweaty under your wrist, under the case and stuff like that. But you kind of sacrifice that height in there with that one. But these particular ones are built to be underwater. They're dive watch versions. It'd be interesting to see after a year or two how they hold up and stuff, you know, in water conditions. So let's take a look at this baby in the dark, and let's see how the lume looks. Here we go. Here's the watch in the dark. It's got a good lume to it, not quite as bright as some of the others, and I think because they're trying to give it that tinted, that vintage look, so it's not too bright. Oh, there you go. I'd like to take the time to thank you all for watching the video. I appreciate it. And please like and subscribe. Have a good one, y'all. Thank you. Bye.